Sweet lemon cucumbers. This is the type of dish, if you serve it at a party, someone's going to ask you for the recipe. It's very easy to make. It only takes like under 2 minutes to make, and you put it in the fridge, get it nice and chilled. They're absolutely delicious. It's like a quick pickle. Sweet lemon cucumbers. It's kind of like a quick pickle. It's very easy to make, and it's a staple around here, and it's great to take to parties, functions. It could be any special occasion, a cookout, barbecue. You can just take the jar with you. It's really easy to make. It's a nice fast recipe. I'm going to take a clean 1 liter mason jar. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. I've got some erythritol. You can use allulose too. So I'm just going to put that in. You can mix this in a measuring cup if you like, but I just do it like this. And I've got some celery seed, some salt. I've got dill. Now this is dried dill. I couldn't get any fresh dill at the store, but if you had fresh dill, I'd use a stalk. But this is a 1/4 teaspoon. I've got some lemon zest, and this is very important to get lemon zest in there. And I've got some lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. That goes in. I've got some white vinegar, 1/8 of a cup. And I've got some rice wine vinegar, 1/8 of a cup. If you don't have rice wine vinegar, you can just use a 1/4 cup of the white vinegar. So in that goes. And I'm just going to put the lid on and just kind of, see, there's not much liquid in there. It's very flavorful. Now what I'm going to do is, I've got an English cucumber, nice and cold. It's been peeled. And this one was 10 inches in length. You can go 10 to 12 inches. And I cut it at 3/8. So I'm just going to stack them in there. There we go. Put the lid on. And what's going to happen is, with the salt in there, it's going to pull a lot of the moisture out of the cucumbers, and it's going to marinate it. So I'm going to put this in the fridge, minimum 4 hours, but it's nice to go overnight. And I'm going to flip it upside down like that. You'll be amazed at how much liquid there is. It'll fill up like this much. So I'm going to put that in the fridge. After these are finished, you can chop some more up and you can reuse the liquid one time maybe. Then it starts to get watery. I would take that to a party just like that, nice and chilled, and pull them out, put them into a dish. It'll go fast. Sweet lemon cucumbers. Thanks for watching.